The oldest fertilizer factory in Africa and Middle East, which is opened in 1960 to produce the green hydrogen and the green ammonia. I think this is about 36 years ago for green ammonia and the green hydrogen. Our raw material is the three raw material: air and hydrogen and electricity. The three elements are non-pollution element, which is used in our production for liquid ammonia and ammonium nitrate. The nitrogen is produced through the liquefied of atmospheric air through air expiration unit, and the hydrogen is produced through the electrolysis of water, and the electricity from Aswan Dam, which is in the closed area, as the source of energy. The hydrogen production in the Kima company is considered of the one of the first electrolysis unit in the Middle East. Production rate for this unit about 30 million cubic meter annually for green hydrogen, and production rate for ammonia 400,000 tons annual for liquid ammonia. This liquid ammonia is used for production for nitric acids with different concentration, 100% concentration and 53% concentration, and some of liquid material for ammonium liquid are used for ammonium nitrate for the three types: high density and low density, and fertilizer for ammonia. This is the first project, or this is the first plant for Kima. This is the Kima 1, which is called Kima 1. And another plant, or second plant, is Kima 2, which is open 2020. This is a new plant. Produce of the liquid ammonia by using the natural gas. Our capacity for this project 1,200 ton per day ammonia by license our license from KBR ammonium technology, and 1,700 ton per day urea was by license of steam carton ball reactor technology. Our production is high specs and high quality, which is to meet the local market and global market. Our production is 30% for local market and 70% for global market, which is now is somewhere for about 55 countries, mainly in Europe and Southeast and Africa. The third project, our new project, which is called Kima 3. This is a new project started in to production new nitric acids plant and ammonium nitrate. Total investment or total cost around $300 million American dollar. Now in ABC contractor, now we have for this new project we have tender package is ready, and ABC contractor for this plant is for Italy, the Tecnomod company. Now our project stand. Now we are investigate for the finance of this project. And the second project for Kima, rehabilitate for the factory for old one, for electrolysis unit, especially for electrolysis unit, to produce the green ammonia, which is used as a source of electricity. Mainly we are going to solar energy instead of electricity from dam, Aswan dam. Thank you very much for and welcome in Kima, and Mr. Ahmed can be
My name is Ahmed Khalid. I am the chairman of the holding company for chemical industry. We have the honor and pleasure to host you with us today and welcome you in Egypt, and we hope you have a pleasant stay and enjoyable time in Egypt and in Aswan. Actually, we understand your excellencies are having a great role in connecting nations together, and a relation with South America and Egypt has been long time there, and we have political as well as economical and historical relations. We are looking forward to enhance this relation with your countries, and we have the honor to be one of the companies who can work on that enhancement. To give you a brief idea about the chemical industry holding company, we have 18 subsidiaries under our umbrella working in 10 different activities. So we have a very diversified business model. We have 3 companies operating in fertilizers. We have one tobacco company, which is the biggest tobacco company in Egypt and in the Middle East. We have 2-3 companies working in cement and cement factories. We have 2 companies operating in solar salinas, which is making salt and all this. We have companies operating in mining. So you can see a very diversified activities under the umbrella of the chemical industry holding company. I think we have a very short program today. So after a small presentation about Kima, we take you in a tour to show you the plant, which has been inaugurated in 2021 by the President Sisi, and it costed us almost $650 million to have this new plant. It's something we are proud of. It took us about 10 years to build that plant because of the political situation in the area and in Egypt at that time. It took a long time, but luckily that, alhamdulillah, we have the plant operating and successful and profitable.
Landscapes and scorching desert temperatures, Minor Tecnomont has built an ammonia and urea plant, which is contributing to the growth of the region. Kima is a new fertilizers complex that sits in the existing industrial area in the Aswan governorship. The complex supplies fertilizers to the Upper Egypt area, where 55% of people are employed in agriculture, through a more energy-efficient system, cutting consumption and therefore reducing its environmental impact. When building Kima, the biggest challenge for Myra Technomont was to integrate two licenses technologies with different specifications and requirements in the context of a single plant. A key success factor was the full integration of multinational personnel in Myra Technomont's team, as well as with the client's team. At the construction site, temperatures during the summer season reached almost 50 degrees centigrade, so the teams worked night shifts in order to get the job done. The plant is contributing to the economic growth of the Aswan area, fully respecting environmental and safety standards. The project employed more than 4,500 Egyptian workers. Vendors in the Aswan area increased their business by providing services and materials for the project. The plant has been designed to respect the environmental standards set by the landers in the contract. In particular, in the urea plant, emissions are limited by a scrubbing system, reducing the ammonia effluents using nitric acid injection. The technology of urea and ammonia production is well known and reliable, including all necessary operational, safety, and environmental criteria. This is one of the many exciting stories that Myra Technomont people are writing. See you next time.